Is there a way to get matplotlib.path.contains_points to be inclusive of boundary points? We have a hit test use case that wishes to also consider points on the actual boundary of a path. We're using matplotlib.path.contains_points to test a bunch of points en masse, and it's working very well for us. Today I discovered it returns false for points on the boundary, in our case the origin, 0, 0, which is a point on the path. Is there a way to configure the function call to yield true on boundary points, that is to be inclusive of the boundary? I'm only seeing it support an exclusive test, but according to the documentation there's the other parameters for transform and radius. Maybe they have some magic number for pushing the thing to true for boundary points? Contains_points, transform equals none, radius equals 0.0, returns a bool array which is true if the path contains the corresponding point. If transform is not none, the path will be transformed before performing the test. Radius allows the path to be made slightly larger or smaller.
A quick scan of the source code says no. Matplotlib isn't really intended for spatial ops, it just has a little bit of support for them just because it's an old codebase with a huge API surface. I suggest using Shapely, which is built specifically for spatial operations like this one, instead. If you use Shapely you can take advantage of object.intersects to handle this. You can roll your points into a pandas.series consisting of Shapely.point objects and your polygons, given a sequence of coordinates, into a poly equals Shapely.polygon coordinates object. Then do something like points_that_intersect equals points.map lambda p column poly.intersects p.
If you want to sell more, press consider subscribing.